Good morning, dear students. Let's begin with the third part of our second chapter. Start button. Start button is the most important on the taskbar. A list of options appear on clicking the start button. It helps the user to perform various tasks such as opening a program or document that needs to be worked upon. That means the current document that you want to work on. It helps to open that program. Then searching the required files and folders and turning the computer off. So all these three things are done with the start button. Let's see how. See students, you can see the mouse pointer here. I'm taking this mouse pointer to the start button. Here, this is the taskbar. That is the bottom of your screen. Here is the start button. You can see it is showing start. You can see how you can do. Here is the shutdown button. With this button you can switch off the computer system. Then any program or files you want to open, you can open by just clicking on it. Okay, so this is the function of the start button. Let's read further. Middle section. The middle section of the taskbar shows the programs which are being worked upon. Whatever program that we are working on, this middle section shows that program. The commonly used programs such as Paint, Word and Internet Explorer can be added here. The icon of the program which is in use is highlighted in the section. All the programs present in this area can be opened by clicking on them once. Now, you can see on your computer screen, this is the middle section. Right now, I haven't opened any program, so it is not showing anything. Okay, I just opened one program, and that is your, alright, Paint. This is the working that I'm doing. Okay, you can see immediately when I opened this Paint program in this middle section, it is showing this fig icon. Okay, so even if you click here, see, now it's not showing. Now you can work on any other program if you want to at the same time. And again, if you want to open your Paint program, just go down, click here and see, again it is there.